Today I'm going to be making a kinetic sand cake. First, it's going to be like a rainbow cake. Remember, first you need a bowl, a spoon, a pan, and here's the ingredients. We got 4 eggs, they're rainbow eggs, baking soda. This is the what's called the batter, the cake like stuff that you add in first. Sugar, sprinkles, powdered sugar, and actually this is the batter, and this is the flour. So now I need to mush this all away. So we're going to start with the batter, okay? Which I have to get first. So we have to get it all ready. So first item we need is the batter. See, my bowl is kind of empty. The batter here. See, I emptied it. And there's this. And then we need to crack some eggs. You just throw it and then crack it. Throw it. Crack it. Throw it. And then crack it. Throw it. So now we got the eggs and the batter and mix. It's going to take a while. And then you're going to add the flour. We added the flour, and mix the flour with this. Next, I'm going to be adding some of the baking soda. There we go. Now mix that in. Guys, it's starting to turn out. Then we need some sugar, like a spoonful of it. Need a couple. I want my cake pretty sugary. Yeah, I'm just gonna add the whole thing, guys. You can add it if you want. I want it to be really sugary. I'll mix that in. These two, I'm going to add some sprinkles to the cake. See it? We added some sprinkles. Next, you're going to want to put it in your pan. So, I'm going to move away my sprinkles. I'm going to show you guys. Oh no, I messed it up. I got some flour in my hand, like 10, but we're going to flatten that out now. Flatten it out. That's flat now. Now we're going to put this in the oven. See you when it's done. So now my cake's done. I hate to put that right there now. Now I needed some powdered sugar. I'm putting some powdered sugar on there. I'm not putting this whole thing, there's a lot of it. And we're going to smooth out the powdered sugar. No, Now we need to add some sprinkles, guys. Why? Next, I need to go and get some decorations for the cake. But till then, you're gonna see dirt. Okay. You're seeing boxes and stuff, but I found some items. I got a unicorn duck, a cat, a little kid. Oh, I dropped it. Sorry. A kitty. And a little blue whale. So. We didn't finish. Guys, say what you. Oh, I should make this over. You see it? Isn't it very pretty? There. How'd you like it? It's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna try some, guys. Could take off these first. Sorry. I'm just decorating. That's a good cake. So, click that like button and that subscribe button, and make sure to turn on the post notification. The little bell down below, you press that, and give a like, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.